Right then. 10:20, Saturday the 22nd of August. Right then. It was closed last time I was here. Let's see if it's open today. It'd be open on a Saturday, wouldn't it? Here we are. Look at that. How beautiful. Let's have a look and see if it is open. Cool. Lovely. Big thick doors in here. Absolutely stunning. Look at these lovely pew ends. Look at these. Is that a unicorn? Fleur de lis. Beautiful. Can you read that? Beautiful. This side is beautiful. There's a nice plaque. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? There's nice light in this one because they got high windows. Lots of light come in. Isn't that beautiful? That's the back of the organ. These big pillars, they're beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. So, I'm just in the doorway, and I've got a little alms box here. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Got a big whacking rocks on there. What's that date? 1906. I put that there. But look at these old pew ends, isn't they gorgeous? Look at all the many hands have grabbed them to sit on the seats. Beautiful. Lovely carved wood ends. Right, there's somebody under here. You can see that. Rifleman Harrington, Sir Bright. I'll let you read that. I'll take photographs later. Beautiful. Now, see that? Don't watch massive. Right down, look at that beautiful font. It's got something written on it. Memory of Arthur Bate. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that, would you? Right up the altar. Go burn a minute. Oh, it's splendid. Look at that, like a little cathedral in it. Oh, massive, beautiful. Wooden ceilings. That's intricate wood carvings. Beautiful. Right then. What we got here? What we got here then? We got the memorial of William Boutroux. First Baron Boutroux died 1381 with his wife. There we are. There they are. Effigies. And he's got his feet on it, looks like a little lion. She's got a little ducky of sorts. Can't really make it out. It says a lion or a bulldog, I don't know. Funny face on that one. And this is them here. They got their nose rubbed off. Looks nice. Turn back a bit. Okay. That's the old stonework down there. Oh, look at that lovely cherubim angels on the side here. Look at that, that's gorgeous. And little things up there. So let's go. Oh, here we are. Let me read this. Okay, I can't read that one, so too late. It looks like another couple of stone boxes here. Right, what's written over here? I don't know if you'll be able to see all that. I certainly can't. It's writing in tiny writing. I'll record it and then you can slow the video down. Look at it. See what that says. Oh, it's shaking. See what that says? 1715. That's all I can see on it. This one. Can't see nothing. What's this? The bells. North Cadbury bells. It's had a bit of water damage. Right, let's not back this one. It's got a coat of arms up there. Got some sort of, what's that, a curly? A curly, maybe, I don't know. And a helmet of some sorts. Coat of arms. And see what this one says. There you go. Isn't that cool? Right, what's in here? This one. See it? Cool, cool. Right, and they've got a box here. North Cadbury Register Chest. 1814. So it's probably the, I don't know, when you vote. There's an effigy of some poor little girlie up here. Now, let's have a look right then. Here, let's have a look at the pew ends because they look great. Look at this here. Nice wooden one. And there's a nice one up here as well. There's so much to do. Look at. I'll have to do the pew ends separately. Unless they're really lovely. They are lovely. Over the ancient tiles. Look at this one. It's gorgeous. Beautiful. Right, let's go. Straight up the middle. There's an ancient flagstone on the floor here. Can you read it? I can't either. What's that here? That's the body of somebody. I can't see any dates on it. Nope. They're too worn out now. Walking on. Beautiful. Right then. But look at that. That's amazing. That's absolutely stunning. A bit closer now. Right. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. Right then. There's the organ. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning. was it built by? Foster and Ambrose of Hull. Lovely little lectern here. It's a bit of inscription on it. Can you read it? 1896. Nice brass one, isn't it? Beautiful. What's written in the scriptures? Matthew 14:35. Look at that. Beautiful. What's that up there? But there's lovely things up here. Look at these. Little angels out looking over the church. Look at this up here. There's a hole up here. You see it? Where does that go? Well, it doesn't go anywhere really. There may have been a route here at one time, and that would have been the stairs or steps up to it. And over here, in the dark, beside the organ, would have been the stairs up to it here. See? Look up into the dark. I'm seeing it. No, it's too dark. So, yeah, that would have been the doorway into it. Ooh. Right, back out again. Beautiful. These old markings on the walls. Ancient scrawlings. Right, so that's side now. We'll go over the side now. Lovely pulpit. Gorgeous work on it. Have a peek. We must have a short figure here. Look, there's a box. Look at that. We can see over there. Got a bit of damp on the wall there. Who knows? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bow in this pillar here. That dedicated to Dorothy Joan Adams. Yeah. She probably tinkled the keys for many's a year. Right then, let's go up into the stunning bit. I mean, it's all stunning, but look at this. This is enormous. Wow. Wow, indeed. Beautiful. Look at them. Lovely flowers. Lovely silken flowers. Yeah. Beautiful. That there. Isn't that gorgeous? The floor. Up behind the altar. Now look down the church. Wow, look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Lovely. Right then, I'll just see if I can see what it says up here. Sun's come through the window now. Can you read that? I can't. Oh, the sun's beating through the window. But that lovely gold gilded edges are really popping out with the sunlight just hitting it. Now there seems to be a big slab over here. Don't see any writing on it. On this side anyway. It may be a cover of a tomb or something. You can see where it's been grubbed up down there. Now there's a cross here of sorts. And a couple down here. And the other markings. Another one here. Medieval markets, do you think? Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning.